Let's see what we have in our sample case. Our main products include various waterproof cable connectors and terminals. This is a small-size waterproof connectors with flexible terminals. This one is M20, which is a bigger size. We also have an M25 and M32 that is suited for high-power installation. And this kind of fixed screw model that is more convenient. T-shape, 4 channels, 4 sizes for your choice. We also have some quick connect screwness models, which can save time and labor cost. They are very popular in the current market. We have straight-through models and some T-shaped models for your choice.